this is Avi Ben David, and I'm in our storage room, and I want to explain really quick about the difference between the two locks. One of them is a storage function that has no button on the inside, and you can always unlock it only by inserting a key and getting in, or of course if you have a keypad, electronic keypad, you can allow yourself to get in. And then there is the entry function lock that has a button on the inside, as you can see in here, and it can be locked on the outside and always unlocked from the inside for free egress. That's based on the fire department. Most of the time we need that, but you can always also leave it unlocked from the outside. Some people don't want the lock to ever be unlocked from the outside, and then you want to go with the storage function in that case. If you want to be able to leave it unlocked sometimes, then you go with the entry function. So remember, there is storage function, entry function. No button on the inside, button on the inside. So that's how you can choose the lock. Thank you very much. Avi Ben David, Mulholland Security.